Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to clean the ezDispense detergent and softener compartments. Remove and clean the ezDispense reservoir every time you refill the detergent or softener or change to a new type of detergent or softener. It is also a good idea to clean the drawer once or twice a month to prevent residual detergent or softener buildup. Now let's start cleaning the ezDispense drawer. First, make sure the washing machine is turned off. We recommend you unplug the washing machine while cleaning the ezDispense drawer. Pull the detergent dispenser drawer out until it stops and you see the orange tab. Press down on the orange tab, the disengaging mechanism, to completely remove the drawer. Remove the ezDispense reservoirs from the drawer and open the lids. Clean the lids, covers and inside of the ezDispense tank with warm water and a soft brush if there is any residue. Do not use soap or detergents when cleaning the drawer and inserts. On the back of the detergent and softener reservoirs are dispenser spring locking pins. Remove these by unscrewing them counterclockwise and pulling them out. And clean them with warm water and a soft brush. Dry all the components with a towel and make sure they are thoroughly dry before reassembling the drawer. Also make sure the cover and lids are properly closed so nothing leaks. Then reinsert the ezDispense drawer and that's it, you're all done.